I'm Musa. I created FieldSync, and this is a demo video of FieldSync. If you don't know what FieldSync is, it's an app that I created for myself and you guys and others to solve this one particular issue, which is to sync the location and the image that you shot with your camera. Yes, you can get GPS thingies that you put on your camera, but they're expensive, and sometimes they don't provide those for some cameras, like old ones like I have. So in this video I will show you how to use FieldSync. So if we go to the main landing page, as you can see, I have an old demo video, but I only had subtitles, so this is a demo video that I can talk. I installed GNOME. Couldn't make the sound work, sorry guys. So let's join the beta. We're in the sign up. So as you can see here, it shows what FieldSync provides you. So you can capture locations, review it in your workspace, and export these locations images. So, and we have here what happens after the sign up. So let's continue with Google. I already have my account connected, but to show you the sign up though, I just press the sign up button. So we're in the sign up. This is step 2 of 2 steps. So you need to add your camera. So you add the camera label here and the file name prefix. We use a file name prefix to connect the photo. So in my camera, it saves it as DSC, this hyphen thingy, then the ID of the photo. Let's say 281.jpg or NEF. So that's this that you save, and you can also have body A, body B in the camera label as well. I only have one camera, so that's why I have one camera here. So let's go to the workspace. As you can see, I have 6 photos imported and 6 film manipulations, 6 location logs, and 1 camera. So you can see all the data that you need, all the numbers here. So these are now the imported photos, as you can see, with the photo IDs. I don't have .jpg. When I write a desktop app, it will automatically connect those photos with the correct file names. So as you can see where you have shot the photo. In the map, you can add notes and logs. You can see the camera that you're using, coordinates, and when did I log it. So this is the phone captured screen where you add the numbers that you see on your camera. So this will be, let's say the camera ID, the photo ID is 120. I choose my camera and add notes. Let's say Riverside. So, and save anchor. It will use the GPS of your phone. Since I'm on desktop, as you can see, it uses the ISP's location, like the IP's location. Like if you search for what's my IP and look at its location, that's the location that you get on the desktop app. But if you're on a phone, tablet, anything, it will be the precise location that you did. So if you open the desktop view, we logged it 1 minute ago, and you can see our notes and the location. Since I'm on desktop, it shows the ISP's location. I'm not here. Where is it actually? It's near. Oh, it's near Midfield Industrial Estate. So yes, it updates. So if we choose manage account, manage workspace. So you can see your profile, you can see the camera overview. It's broken, I will fix it. You can register add cameras with serial ID lens like that, like I have a kit lens 18 to 50 by 5 millimeter, but I will buy other bigger lenses. Probably I will buy the Tamron 18 to 200 millimeter lens. So for one lens, it will do both wide and zoom. In the near future, we will have shared workspaces. You can add your teams. So let's say I'm a business owner slash worker. I'm a business owner. I can add. Let's say I do wedding photography. I'll have a side shooter, a second shooter. I can add him. If we have an intern, I can add that, as well as producers. Like, I will make this a page where you can do all your work, like in the field, that syncs your field and your work. That's why it's called FieldSync. If it had just one feature like now, I would probably have named it photo tagger or photo geo, something like that. But FieldSync is more vague, more wide range. So yeah, it's like this. So thank you for watching my demo. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want a new feature, just comment it below or email me at smartlizardpie@doc.com. You can see my email at my GitHub profile. So, thank you guys for listening to my demo video. Hope you like it. See you.